Hello and welcome to Derivo Club. In this video, I'll be walking you through how our new Flashbot performs trades step by step. Make sure you watch this video till the very end. Have you ever tried trading digit match on Deriv only to end up blowing your account? If that sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. The good news is we've got you covered. Today we're introducing the solution, our powerful digit match trading bot, the Flashbot. To demonstrate how this bot works, I'll be placing a live trade. We recommend having at least $10 in your Deriv account to get started, so I'll be using that amount and attempting to grow this balance. Can we push it beyond $1,000? Yes, it's possible. First, we open Deriv and log into the trading account. After logging in, we refresh the page to ensure everything is properly set. Once that's done, we're ready to trade. Next, we return to the Derivo Club website and locate the Flashbot, which is number 1 on the list. Since the bot is already unlocked, we simply click Open. This gives us 3 options: access the web app, download the Android app, or download the user guide. If this is your first time, we strongly recommend downloading the user guide before you start trading. For this demo, I'll click on the web app, which takes us directly to the Flashbot login page. My details are already saved, so they're automatically pre-filled. Once logged in, you'll see a clean, beautiful, and well-organized dashboard. Here you can see that we're allowed 5 trades every 24 hours. The cooldown status shows ready, which means we're allowed to trade. The reset timer shows when your available trades will reset back to 5. Now let's set up the trade. I'll enter a stake of $10 and select a martingale. We'll leave the take profit and stop loss at their default settings. Once everything is set, I click the Start Bot button. After clicking Start, do not panic. Just relax and let the bot do the work for you. The Flashbot will quickly scan the market and begin placing trades automatically. The bot will run 30 trades, and once completed, it will stop on its own. Let's sit back and watch how the trades perform. The 30 trades have now been completed. With a stake of just $10, we've managed to generate a profit of $2,339. That's impressive. Now imagine this. What if we traded with $100 or more? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. At this point, we now have 4 trades remaining and the cooldown timer shows 56 minutes before we can trade again. You can also view your full trading history right here. Please note that this history is sent to your email every week and is automatically cleared from the dashboard afterward. Let's head back to Deriv to confirm if the profit has reflected. And yes, it has. The profit is visible. This is absolutely amazing. If you're interested in using the Flashbot, now it's your turn. You can make your purchase by following the instructions provided in the video notification above. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.